What's good, my Dexters? We are back with another reaction. Now, finally, we're gonna finish off the 5th mini album, Love Yourself Her, with the hidden track called C. We got the color-coded lyrics, and then tomorrow we'll be continuing with our 3rd album, Love Yourself Tia, with Singularity, Fake Love, Truth Untold, all these tracks. Super excited because I saw a lot of these in the comments, so super excited to check it out. But today, let's finish off the 5th mini album, Love Yourself Her. Let's go. Before we get into the video, I just do want to mention I have a Patreon with Run BTS, BTS Guy, or BTS Born Voyage, currently busy with season 3, and I've got K-dramas and more exclusive content. If you're interested, check it out, link in the description below. As well, if you have Instagram and want to follow me, DM me your suggestions. I can't promise that I will reply anymore because so many of you have been starting to come into my Instagram, so I do appreciate it, but I will definitely try and reply to your DM. Without any further ado, BTS C. Color-coded lyrics. Let's go. Now, I know hidden tracks. I saw this TikTok or the short video on Instagram where they were explaining like hidden tracks were made for ARMY. It wasn't even made to be like on billboards or anything like that, or they didn't care about the numbers of how the track did. They only cared about that, like, basically this is a song for ARMY, and ARMY is like the only fandom out there who'd understand these type of songs. I guess that's what I saw in like a video. I don't know how true it is, you know, the internet, but I feel like that kind of makes sense. If it's a hidden track, only ARMYs will find it, only ARMYs can relate to it, I guess. That guitar, bro. Oh damn.
어찌어찌 걸어 바다에 왔네. 이 바다에서 나는 해변을 봐. 무수한 모래알과 매섭고 거친 바람, 여전히 나는 사막을 봐. 바다 갖고 싶어, 널 온통 들이켰어. 근데 그 전보다도 목이 말라. 내가 닿은 이곳이 진정 바다인가, 아니면 푸른 사막인가. I don't know 내가 지금 파도를 느끼고 있는지 yeah. I don't know 아직도 모래바람에 쫓기고 있는지 yeah. I don't know 바다인지 사막인지 희망인지 절망인지 진짜인지 가짜인지 shit. I know 지금 내 시련을 I know 해결될 것을 I know 나야말로 내가 의지할 곳이란 것을 yeah. 좋게 생각해 많은 짓 삼키며 불안하더라도 사막일지라도 아름다움.
Okay, this is deep, bro. Because they're comparing the sea to a desert. That's actually like some stuff went over my head so deeply, but I feel like it's, how can I explain this? It's the sea or the desert, is the hope or the despair, is this real or fake? I don't, if you know more about this song and can decipher it for me, please do. I'm just seeing it as them seeing all the fruits, you know, of their success. Is it real? Is it fake? You know, is the love fake? Is the support fake? Is everything they're getting just to lose it again? Something like that. That's what I get more or less. But I don't know. This is quite deep, bro. Oh, Tansu's vocalizing at the back is also so nice. That's so true. That is so true, Jimmy. That's so true, bro. Damn, Jimmy. What the hell? Let's go. They again played with us, bro. I don't like it when they play with us like that. That was like the biggest build up. That sounded so dope. And then
여기는 되려 사막이었고 여기 없는 중수 아이돌이 두 번째 이름이었어. 방송에 잘리기는 뭐 부지기수. 누구의 땜빵이 후리했고 어떤 이들은 회사가 작아서 제대로 못할 거래. 아 너는 나도 알아. 한방에서 일곱이 잠을 청하던 시절도 잠이 들기 전에 일은 다를 거라는 믿음도 사막의 생기로 형태는 보이지만 잡히지는 않아 곳곳이 없던 이 사막에서 살아남길 빌어 현실이 아닌 생기로 형태는 보이지만 잡히지는 않아 곳곳이 없던 이 사막에서 살아남길 빌어 현실이 아니기를 빌어 결국 신기는 잡히고 현실이 됐고 되었던 사막은 우리의 피땀 눈물로 채운 바다가 됐어 근데 이 행복들 사이에 이 두려움들은 뭘까 원래 이곳은 사막이란 걸 우린 너무 잘 알아
Okay, so Sugar makes it clear as daylight that this is basically them seeing their dream. The ocean is the dream, but they see it as a desert. And it's basically the grind and the hustle, everyone not believing in them as much as they did, but they had the dream. And in German, with that one part where he said, a dream or hope is filled with hardships. You know what I'm saying? So that was so iconic, bro. And the way Sugar is rapping in this song, this is when you know, bro. The way he pronunciates his words with that, like he has this how can I say, focuses on like the first word and like spits it out. Oh, it's dope, bro.
근데 이 행복들 사이에 이 두려움들은 뭘까 원래 이곳은 사막이란 걸 우린 너무 잘 알아 울고 싶지 않아 쉬고 싶지 않아 아니 조금 마시면 어때 아니 쉬고 싶지 않아 원래 사막이잖아 그럼 달려주면 더 오래하지 희망이 있는 곳에 반드시 시련이 있네 희망이 있는 곳에 반드시 시련이 있네 희망이 있는 곳에 반드시 시련이 있네 희망이 있는 곳에
What the hell is this guy even real?
희망이 있는 곳에
Jimmy! Whoa! Whoa! It's called vibrato, right? The way his voice will echo. Listen to Jimmy's voice right now. Oh, that was fire. See what I'm saying? It's just a soft song.
The world, everything, the same thing, different now. I see ocean, I see desert, I see the world. Everything's the same thing, but it's different now. It's life again.
Oh, whoa. Is I'm talking about everything is life. Everything is life, basically. If it's a hardship, if it's success, if it's like happiness, sadness, it's life. Like everything is the same thing. You're just experiencing it, but you see it. It's the same thing, and you see it in a different way, and you call it different names, basically. Like hardships, good time, bad time. It's just life. You know, everything's. It's just life. You know.
It's life again.
I love that. I love that. Oh. Whoa.
반드시 절망이 있네. 희망이 있는 곳엔 반드시 절망이 있네. 희망이 있는 곳엔 반드시 절망이 있네.
Damn.
희망이 있는 곳엔 반드시 절망이 있네. 우린 절망해야 해. 그 모든 시련을 위해.
Wow.
절망해야 해.
Wow.
그 모든 시련을 위해.
That's unfair, bro. Oh, what a beautiful song, bro. Oh, and the instruments was so fire as well, and the whole vocalizing at the back was dope. The rapping was dope. The vocalizing, the one part where the thing clap, bro, that make you focus on the song so well, and then they smooth you out again. Damn, what a beautiful song. But yeah, like I said, the hidden tracks are made like only Army would understand, and I'm trying to understand the song, but I feel like there's a deeper meaning which I'm not catching yet. So if you don't, let me know in the comment section. But I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow where we're starting in with a new album. Super excited. Until next time, I'm out. Safe.